Hi there. If you're looking for a solution to connect HubSpot to Google Sheets, then you're in the right place. I can help you find the Google Sheets HubSpot integration you need. So here is my review of Supermetrics, and you can also watch my other reviews of connectors such as GACon, Zapier, Automate.io, and others. I find HubSpot to be a great CRM, but when it comes to building my weekly dashboard, I just started to dread this tedious copy pasting. It was just such a waste of my time. So I looked for a Google Sheets HubSpot integration, and I wanted to build the custom HubSpot dashboard of my dreams. And so instead of recreating the same dashboard over and over again, now it's there, it's automated automatically. So in this video, I'll review Supermetrics to push HubSpot data to Google Sheets so it can be analyzed, visualized, edited, and transformed into your reports. And if you want to read my whole blog article reviewing all connectors between HubSpot and Google Sheets, you'll have the link in the video description. So, Supermetrics. It's a sidebar that allows you to pull the metrics and dimensions you want directly into the cells you've selected. So, moving your data into Google Sheets is quite simple. You just install the Supermetrics add-on, connect to your HubSpot account, pull the data you want into Google Sheets, and set up the scheduled refreshes. It's very convenient. And the integration actually supports 126 metrics as well as custom fields for contacts, companies, and deals. So you'll probably be able to build the dashboard you have in mind. Another cool feature is that you can access all your historical HubSpot data from 2005, which not that many other connectors that I reviewed were able to do. So that's a great one if you're an old enough company. The only downside is that it's quite pricey since it costs $200 monthly to use HubSpot connector under 100,000 contacts. And if you have more than 100,000 contacts, you'll need to get a quote. So I guess you'd like to ensure that it's the right tool for you before committing and paying that kind of amount, which is okay because you can use the 14-day free trial to play around with it. And all in all, I would say that it's very expensive. Honestly, like every month when I see that line, I'm like, ugh, that's much more expensive than other tools I use, but depending on the time you spend and how much you value that time, 200 might actually be a pretty fair price. Like it takes a lot of time to copy paste, not to even talk about the fact that it's just hell. So that's a solution. And another one I'd like to mention is that you can also directly build your dashboard into another solution that is called Actiondesk. It's a spreadsheet which is directly connected to HubSpot. So you just do your dashboard once and for all, and it updates itself automatically, retrieving the data from HubSpot. Like it's natively integrated. So maybe you want to have a look at Actiondesk. There's also a link in the description. So hopefully this video and maybe the other reviews will help you make a choice for your HubSpot data to be pushed into Google Sheets. And if you like the video, please like it, share it, comment it, and see you around.